Yung exposure natin sa mga hazards ay factored in by our geographical location. So, Legazpi City faces the Pacific Ocean, which is cooking pot of weather-related hazards. Plus, nandun din tayo sa Pacific Ring of Fire. That's why we have Mayon Volcano. Tapos, exposed din tayo sa risks for the effects of earthquakes at saka tsunami.
Sabi nga nila, when the disaster strikes, the time to prepare is over. So you have to prepare beforehand, and we really appreciate especially the support of APAD in Ormoc City, for helping us capacitate our barangay communities.
We cannot do it alone. Mahirap po magawa ang mga bagay ito, especially for us here in Legazpi or in Albay.
In building resilience, it is everyone's responsibility. We should not be working in silo. So this is where APAD comes in. The vision of APAD Philippines is to become a robust platform of collaboration between these different stakeholders. We try to bring in as many partners as we can. We try to get to everyone to understand how we can work together.
Lumapit po sa amin si APAD kasi yung dala-dala niyang solution for disaster risk reduction is one area na wala pang nakapagbibigay. So we are talking about business continuity planning for the micro businesses, na yung mga maliliit who are the most vulnerable. Tapos localized siya, customized to the local setting, na-translate pa siya into the common language. Tapos meron ding support na naibigay sa amin in terms of disaster response equipment. Pero yung doon pa lang sa BCP, for micro enterprises, kumbaga yung sa kasabihan, ulam na.
Several times tested na po. It's not only those pagbigay ng relief, but also when they take a help in the water supply of one far-flung community in Pio Duran na 3 kilometers ang linalakad ng mga tao just to fetch water. Just imagine how thankful are the people there. Napakalaking bagay po because we alone cannot do it. We need help. And APAD is the answer.
The biggest impact talaga na nagawa ng APAD is for our institution to have its structure for the disaster risk reduction and management. Kasi yun na nga, puro libro. There's no one in the institution na nakakaalam. Alam lang, mag-donate, ganun tulong lang. But with APAD, with the trainings, with the capacity building, talagang it opened our eyes.
In times of mga calamities, eventualities, sino ba ang nagtutulungan? Lahat, 'di ba? Yun ang maganda doon kasi lahat binigyan ng opportunity na makatulong. Sabi nga mas okay na lang yung ikaw tumulong kaysa ikaw yung tutulungan, 'di ba? Baga lahat may nagkakaroon ng teamwork.
All APAD Philippines won't be APAD Philippines without you, our partners. You've been very critical and crucial to where we are right now. You are the heart and soul of APAD Philippines. We're only here as our vehicle. But you put flesh, you are the soul of the collaboration of our partnership. We can work together as one. We can walk as one. We can all be united, especially with the challenges of the changing climate, especially the challenges in changing climate and in fortifying the resilience of our community. I can proudly say that APAD Philippines has gone a long way since it was first introduced in the Philippines in 2016.
The impact of your presence and even the different activities that we have been doing, specifically for the chambers, the lead convener in Central Visayas. We are very grateful that we have been part of APAD's advocacy and initiative on disaster preparedness, awareness, and resiliency. So again, congratulations to APAD, and we look forward for more and better opportunities to give to the community and as well as to our partners.